Hello everyone, Investrance Research is back again. So as a part of Pro Trader series till now we have seen that what does Investrance Research do, why you should invest in stock market, what are financial markets, the history of stock market and also the indexes that is Sensex and Nifty. So today we'll be seeing how to start investing in stocks. So basically the mindset is a lot of people in this country are not aware of how to open a trading account and how do they get into stock market. So it's the start. So before Investors Research in ProTrader series will be teaching you how you can analyze charts, how you can analyze stocks, and you can invest in stocks and stock get into stock market and manage your portfolio and other stuff. We want to begin for all our Investor and Research Pro Trader followers and as well as other investors who want to get into stock market to how to open a trading account and what this trading account actually means, okay, and what all it comprises of. Because of lack of knowledge, many people restrict themselves to get into stock market because they think that okay, managing an account or opening an account is a tedious job. But as the technology has advanced and a lot of things came into picture and there are a hell lot of brokers and good technology available, it's very easy to get into stock market now in terms of opening an account and other stuff. So, it's a disclaimer here. We are not any kind of promoters for any kind of brokers. It's just that we want to give investors what's the best in the market and as a suggestion point and also what we use into a stock market. Okay. So let's start how to get into stock market. So basically, you need to have your trading account, right? So there's a trading account that comprises of all this entire stock market account comprises of trading account and demat account and your savings bank account. Okay. So these three accounts are related when you are trading into stock market. Okay. So trading account is nothing but your front end buying and selling of shares. So suppose you are having an account, say SDFC Securities. So your SDFC Security becomes your trading account. Okay. It's just that it will give you a platform and a system to buy and sell shares. Okay. And then that trading account is also related to your bank account, that is your savings account. So it's not necessary that if you are opening an account in SDFC Securities and your bank account should be in SDFC only. No, your bank account can be in any bank, any nationalized banks or any private banks. So it doesn't really matter where your savings bank account is. Okay. So all these accounts are interrelated to each other when you are trading. So bank account, your savings bank account is needed just to transfer your fund to your trading account. Okay, so your trading account will be holding the funds that you are making it available for trading. Suppose say you need to add 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees to your trading account. So your trading account actually acts as your wallet, okay, from where you can from suppose you have added 2 lakh rupees, okay, so that 2 lakh rupees gets added from your savings bank account to your trading account, okay. So that trading account acts as your wallet and it buys and sells shares. So so your trading account will show the balance of 2 lakh rupees, okay, and you can add or withdraw funds. This is the best part of stock market which I like, is that if you are investing your money in stock market, so the best part becomes that you can add or withdraw money at any point of time. So if some emergency comes up or some contingency comes up, so it's that your trading account you can sell your shares and withdraw the money at that point of time. So the entire trading account will act as a wallet. So it will be having, if you say added 2 lakh rupees and then you bought shares of 1 lakh 80,000 rupees, it will show the balance of 20,000 rupees. So when you say you have bought shares of 1 lakh 80 and its current value has become 2 lakh 20,000. So if you sell that share, so that 2 lakh 20,000 comes in back to your trading account. So if you wish to withdraw, you can withdraw 2 lakh 20,000 to your which will go into your savings bank account. So it's all interrelated and the transfer is quite quick. Okay. And then there also comes as demat account. So demat account is nothing but, if you remember, I have mentioned depositories in financial markets. It's basically India has two depositories, that is National Depository Services Limited and CDSL. Okay, Central Depository Services Limited. Okay, so all this depositories, both the depositories are basically an account which holds the shares. Now, your whatever you are holding, okay. Suppose you are holding, say, 100 shares of Tata Motors, okay. So that holding, that number of shares goes to your demat account, okay. So trading account is just the reflection of your buying and selling and other stuff, money and other thing. Bank account is your money, which you from where the actual money gets transferred or deposited into, and demat account is to hold your shares. Okay, so the reason why demat account exists is because, earlier earlier when electronic things were not there, right? So now the demat account is there, which holds your share. People used to hold share certificates, okay, which was quite tedious, that you receive that share certificate and then you send that share certificate again back and fro. So it's quite tedious job, right? So what happens in that demat account, everything gets holded electronically. Okay, so it's your electronic holding. All the companies are also give their shares to this demat holders, and from where that all this buying and number of shares distribution to the people who have bought those shares goes to their accounts. Okay, so so don't get confused that you need to open, if you are whenever you are opening a trading account, your demat account gets opened automatically. Okay, so you don't need to go separately to your NSDL or CDSL to go and open your demat account. Also, there are various features with this CDSL and NSDL provide, that you can view or your shareholdings and other stuff. So you can quite take a good use of that. So if you go to open a trading account, your demat account gets opened automatically. The broker which you select will be assigned to one of the CDSL or NDSL. Okay, NSDL. Sorry. Okay, so for demat account opening, this is a process which basically people follow. So you need to approach a registered NSE or BSE broker. So there are hundreds of brokers right now, that the competition is tough, but you need to select the best one. Okay, then there are general KYC that happens, that know your customers, that you need to provide your ID, address proof, passport size photos. Your PAN card is the most important thing, because when your tax filing and other stuff comes into picture, so this is the thing which gets linked to, and your cancel check, just to map your accounts to their trading account, so that the transfer of funds become easier. So you need to give a cancel check for that. One thing to note here is that if you are new to stock market and you have opened your savings account recently and you're not a salaried person, you will be restricted to trade FNO market, that is futures and option market. But nevertheless, if you are there, if you are trading with them for 6 months, they will allow you. Okay, otherwise you need to give your bank statements for trading futures and options and commodities and other stuff. If you are just an equity trader, everything is fine for you. Okay, if you're a salaried person, then again, you will be allowed to trade future and options, because obviously you might be drawing salary from past 6 months or so. Okay, but nevertheless, as a part of, if you are students or something like that, or a housewife, then you need to wait for 6 months to trade futures and options and commodities. Okay, so this is a basic procedure which, because whenever the broker will approach you, they will be telling you about this same procedure that gets followed. But it's very easy. Don't restrict yourself to anything, because it's quite a easy stuff. Okay. So what you need to take care, while you are opening, you need to take care of account opening and maintenance charges. So there is thing, few brokers don't charge their account opening fees for the first year. Others charge account opening fees, and others charge the maintenance charges, that is called as AMC, annual maintenance charges, which is basically charged by everyone. So So it varies from 300 to 400 rupees. The AMC and account opening charges is also in the similar ranges, 300 to 400 rupees, and it's free with few brokers. So whoever you are selecting, please do take care of these charges. And there are certain brokerage charges you need to take care of, that is intraday delivery futures and options. So there will be certain brokerage, because if you are a day trader that is buying and selling on the same day, that is called as intraday. If you are holding shares, that is meant by delivery. And there's other segment, that is future and options and commodities, that take place. So you need to take care of the brokerage charges they are charging for intraday delivery and futures and options. Okay, so you can always compare and take note of who is charging less, but do take care of what technology and other stuff they are offering. Okay, so that has to be taken care of. So apart from brokerage charges, the one basic important thing is that what I take care, or I ask my investors to take care, is the software and the technology and the services they provide, because it's the matter of money. So you always need to take care that if their systems are too robust to handle your trading, and it's pretty fast, what applications they offer for Android phones if you're trading from phone, and other things. So this has to be taken care, because as a technical trader, I do look at charts and other stuff. So it's very important for me to have the software and the technology to the at very par level, so that nothing gets impacted. Because if you are using some cheap software, or because they are going to show you wrong charts, and your investment decisions are obviously will get impacted, and your trading decisions, and you might suffer a loss. Okay, so it's a matter of money, so don't hesitate to pay uh, big money for getting a good software and technology. So coming to the comparison of two brokerage firms, that is Sher Khan and Zerodha. A disclaimer here again that we are not promoters of Sher Khan or Zerodha. We just again giving the best word that's available in the market. Okay, so there are hundreds of brokers. It's your entirely your wish to choose which you find comfortable with. But this is what we can recommend the best in the industry. Okay, so Sher Khan and Zerodha, there again the brokerages, that is intraday delivery futures and options. So Zerodha actually offers you 20%, 20 rupees flat brokerage, no matter the amount what you are trading, but you will be just paying 20 rupees for intraday trading. For delivery, one thing I really like about Zerodha is the delivery is 0 rupees, because I am basically majorly a delivery kind of trader, because intraday totally depends upon the market condition on that particular day, whether I'm buying or selling the shares. Okay, and then futures and options are again also flat 20 rupees. Okay, so account opening charges for Zerodha is 300 rupees, and annual maintenance charges is zero. For Sher Khan, the account opening charges is free, and annual maintenance charges 300. So it will be vice versa. You will find with many of the brokerages. Okay, and options, it's 60 rupees per lot. Intraday Sher Khan, what charges is around 0.10% of the amount that you have traded, and in delivery it's 0.50%. That is the maximum what I am telling you, but you can always negotiate whenever the broker reaches you for opening an account. Okay, and futures lot as well, 0.10%. So why Sher Khan and Zerodha? Because Zerodha is kind of a startup that has been launched in 2010, and Sher Khan is a big brand name, but Sher Khan has the most amazing terminal I can say in India. Okay. Other than that, if you want to really look into charts, you can go with this with various software that available in the market. If you want to know, please reach out to me at investronsresearch@gmail.com. But I won't say those software names in this video because it's quite public. So Sher Khan uses a terminal called Trade Tiger, whose charting is totally amazing. I use it entirely for charting purposes, and Zerodha for trading purposes. Zerodha has also a very good site called as Kite, where it's a trading platform for Zerodha. Quite interactive, quite good charts. You can see intraday charts. You can see, and they have a software like Trade Tiger called as Pi, which you can use for charting. So these two brokerage houses are really great in terms of trading. Is how you can open a trading account and get into stock market for trading. Please, if you have any queries, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at investranceresearch@gmail.com. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and do like our Facebook page, Investrance Research. That was from Investrance Research, making your investment decisions better. Thank you.